Hi, I'm Kerry Pieri, the fashion director of Harper'sBazaar.com. Today I'm going to take you through my entire fall and winter wardrobe, from essentials to things that are just a little bit more fun, and maybe some things you should consider adding to your wardrobe. Let's talk tops. It's good to have a mix of basics and things that have a little bit more interest to them. In the winter, obviously sweaters are super important. I love a good white blouse. I think it takes you really, really far. You can mix it with denim, you can wear it with skirts, and this one has some interesting button detail, which I think makes it a lot more fun. Cotton button-downs are really versatile. This is actually a men's Gucci button-down with some embroidery detail, and I find that I wear it a lot. A good oversized sweater is amazing. I tend to collect them. Sometimes with an oversized sweater it can get a little bulky, so I find when you do a little half tuck, it really helps give you some shape. Great jacket is really important. They make you look really polished. This plaid Blazé Milano jacket is a little bit of a statement piece, and it was definitely an investment, but it's something that I plan on keeping forever. I love the detail. I love the menswear inspired fabric. All right, and we're going to talk about bottoms next. I do love an oversized pant. I think the trick to keeping them flattering is making sure that they fit in the waist. I do a little bit of a roll at the bottom and they're more fitted on the top, and I just think they look really, really cute all year long. I really like to think of my closet as a mix of basics and then more fun statement pieces. I would consider red vinyl pants more of a statement piece. These are not an investment. They were actually from Topshop, but I like to hold on to them for when I really want to stand out in a crowd. I think if you're going to buy one pair of jeans now, is a vintage wash with a higher waist and a slimmer fit with little to no stretch. I don't think you need to spend a ton of money. It definitely ranges. I love Frame and Redone, but Levi's also makes a great pair. I think you just need to get in there and try some jeans on. Now let's get into some dresses. Although I like jeans, I also am here for a feminine moment, and dresses are just that really easy way to be one and done. This one is from LoveShackFancy. Obviously you can wear it in the spring and summer, but I like to throw on a boot with a pretty dress like this and a shearling, and you're ready to go. Skirts are also really fun. This pink skirt actually was a little bit of an investment. It's from J.W. Anderson, and when I bought it, I was sort of like, what am I going to do with a pink skirt? But I wear it a lot. It's made of wool, so it's actually more of a winter and spring skirt. Now I'm going to try on some coats. I love coats. This was actually a sample sale find. It was from one of Nicole last collections for Balenciaga. It was a little bit of an investment, but it's a gorgeous boiled wool. It's super warm, and I think I got it about 6 years ago, and I wear it a ton. I do like a range of coats, but more than anything, they really need to be warm. This down one from Nicole Benisti is a mix of down and shearling, which makes it super cozy. And that's most of my fall winter wardrobe. Hopefully it inspired some of your shopping this season.